Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Ethereum, its valuations against Bitcoin, and as well as the US dollar. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Ethereum is currently trading at, with its Bitcoin valuation, 7.2 million, a little north of 7.2 million Satoshis. And on the RSI, we're looking at about a 59.09. So technically neutral. But if you had to say closer to overbought than oversold. Um, Regardless, what's important to see is on Ether Bitcoin's weekly chart, we're starting to see some kind of coiling of price. So you see the lowering highs the last two times, this one, and then we see these bounces are getting higher, right? And we're making our third test of it on the upper line. And the question comes is, are we going to break through? Uh, this is extremely interesting. And if we take into consideration the theory of Benjamin Cohen talking about the Q1 bleed, the Q1 rally of Ethereum, um, we are about a month or 2 months, 1.5 months away from the new year. So if we take that into consideration, this might be a little early, but that isn't to say that hasn't happened before. Um, if we look back and look that the rally can start before January, right? It can start before January. This one happened the second last week of December. Um, this rally didn't even happen in January. It happened early December, right? Mid December, and this was a 46% move up. So, um, with that said, there's a very good chance that this can break out. And right now, when you look at Ethereum and it's up 2%, and it's not trending down, it's just wicking down. This is pretty bullish to see, and this will be quite interesting. If we take a look at the daily, you kind of see some more information here. It is bounced off the 20-day moving average. Okay, it bounced off the line of the triangle, and then it bounced off of the 20-day moving average. So we're seeing it kind of trend back up again, and the question is this going to be it? Is this it? And that would be incredible. I think that would be incredible. I think some a move like that for Ethereum to happen within during this time is extremely bullish. I think that'll kind of solidify um, altcoin holders into saying that this is altcoin season. Some people are even calling it altcoin season right now because of what we have saw with metaverse tokens and other certain assets. Uh, you really start to think like this might be the altcoin cycle. That is an incredible possibility. Um, but I don't think I'm putting, I would say don't put all your eggs in one basket. Yes, I have an Ethereum position. Yes, I've been increasing that position for the past month or so since the beginning of November. So I guess just last week. Um, but um, it's important to note that there are bigger factors at play, right? Bitcoin is that bigger factor. If Bitcoin decides to go on price discovery mode, there's a very good chance that Ethereum is not going to be able to keep up. And in fact, that could be the scenario that people need in order to confirm a Q4 bleed and a rally into Q1. Perhaps for the rest of Bitcoin dominance, or sorry, Bitcoin rallies for the rest of the quarter, leaving altcoins in the dust. And then in quarter one is when we start to see the rally of altcoins as a whole. That would be a pretty nice painting, uh, pretty nice picture to be painted, essentially. But with that said, it's only up 2% for today. It's not like it's up a whopping like 10 to 20% against Bitcoin, which is very possible with Ethereum. We have yet to see that. So that's kind of what essentially I'm waiting for. Against the US dollar, we're trading at 4,720. And although I've been talking about Bitcoin dominance going into price discovery, Ethereum is also about to go into price discovery as well. It's broken its prior all-time high on Poloniex at least back in May. That the last high was 4,641, and now we're at 4,700. So we're also dipping our toes into the price discovery of Ethereum versus the US dollar. But I would remind everyone that Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is the market mover, and it will falter Ethereum should Bitcoin decide to go on a tear. Um, if we look at the last time, essentially, when Bitcoin dominance when Bitcoin rallied past its prior all-time high, and Ethereum as well, it did rally with it, but it wasn't until, say, March where we saw a pretty nice rally from Bitcoin, right? We saw the move in January, it retraced, and then in March we saw the incredible move. So the end of March, we saw this incredible move, a move from 1678 to $4,500. That is an incredible move to see. On Ethereum alone, and that's what really increased the ratio between Ether and Bitcoin, and that's the kind of move that I want to be a part of. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.